Welcome back to Cocktails Jamaica. As you know, I'm your host, Randy Thomas. But for you guys today, I'll be adding somebody new to the channel. He calls himself the King of Culinary Cocktails. He's also Bartender of the Year for 2018. This guy is a big deal. But guys, before I show you anything, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you already subscribed, click the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to play the intro and I'm going to let him do the work. So soon come.
Hi everyone, I'm Gossip Brown from the Pushcart Rum Bar and the Rock House Restaurant. Today we'll be making a Bloody Mary but Jamaicanized version using some Grace products like the Grace Tin Mackerel. Yes, tin boom. Alright, so we're going to start off with a glass of ice and salt and pepper. I'll do a few shakes of that. Next our salt. And before we go further, I'm going to add an ounce of vodka to my shaker with a slice of Scotch bonnet pepper. What we're going to do is muddle that lightly to release the flavor of the pepper and a little bit of a kick. There we go, that should do. And we're going to pour this on top. Our next ingredient is a homemade lime and onion syrup. So we used fresh lime juice, some onion cuts, and some sugar caramelized together to make this batch. Alright, and now the magic. We're gonna add Grace Jack Mackerel sauce and give it a quick stir. Bloody Marys are normally enjoyed as brunch cocktails. And in Jamaica, we tend to like everything on the sweeter side. So this is where the onion and lime syrup came in. When I was younger, my mother used to use sugar and onion together and rub it in a bath and give it to you as a cold medicine. So I'm guessing this will help you out in the flu. All right, next, to add a bit of a culinary flair to it, we will be adding some caramelized onions. So in order to do that, all you need to do is get the cut of an onion and a bit of the syrup into a skillet and just allow it to caramelize 5 seconds or so. And last but not least, we'll be adding a lime wheel to top off this beverage. And here we are, our Jamaican Bloody Mary. I call it Spicy Amazing Grace.
So that was a twist on the classic Bloody Mary. I love the version that he did. I tasted it before, guys, and it's really delicious and also unique. And I know persons out there who believe that tin mackerel shouldn't be in a cocktail, but guys, you have to be open-minded when it comes down to culinary cocktails. I did a version. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to put it on the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this on the channel, comment below. Or if you have videos you'd like to see featured on the channel, please comment below. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week, friends.